What's going on, gardeners? Today I'm coming to you sort of with breaking news. The average gardener, so you and me, can now buy genetically modified seed. But hey, don't let that scare you. I will go ahead and share with you a couple tips to make sure you're not buying genetically modified seed. Um, I actually did find this is an article from NPR, so it's a reliable source, and I did even find the listing for these bioengineered or genetically modified seeds. And the first thing that you might notice on this page is the price. So that's the first thing you can keep out for. Is generally when it comes to seeds compared to other packets of seeds with similar seed counts, simply exorbitant. For 10 seeds, it is $20, so $2 per seed. A similar packet with a similar amount of seeds might only cost you maybe up to $5 if they're such a rare variety, but that is the first thing that you can keep out for is the price. $2 per seed, that is simply like mind-boggling, but because of the supposed research and genetic modification when it comes to these seeds, that is why they can charge so much. Also, another thing is when you're looking at the description of such a seed packet or a listing online, you'll see the words such as genetically modified, bioengineered like you see right there, and words such as that. But this does affect other seed packets to where the non-GMO tag really didn't mean much before because the average home gardener could never buy genetically modified seeds. It was only for farmers or big agricultural companies and you had to fill out paperwork, but not anymore. And this affects other seeds because, like this Purple Galaxy tomato from Baker Creek or rareseeds.com, this could affect them too because this is not a GMO seed. This is actually an open pollinated and heirloom variety. Also, you can see it will say things like non-GMO within the seed description or the seed listing. So again, look for non-GMO, and also if the prices seem kind of high, you'd want to do some more research. This article really only goes into like the benefits of this tomato and so on, but just keep in mind the price and the seed description and listing whether it says non-GMO or not, and you will be a-okay. So I hope you liked this video, really got something out of it, and I hope you subscribe to see more updates such as this or updates in my garden when I'm growing tomatoes, peppers, other things, seed starting. Those videos will be coming out very shortly.